nice and relaxed. I'll have you wiggle your toes. Good, wiggle both toes for me. We're gonna do one more. Big breath. And let it go all the way. Good, nice and relaxed here. Nice. Okay, how you feeling? Good? Okay, so I'm gonna feel it again here. This side, nothing, right? Okay, this side here. Feel the difference?
Yeah.
See how that's moving much better now? Awesome.
Do you feel like this?
Wow. You'll see when you stand up, you're gonna feel like, whoa, like that feels so much better. Okay, let's go on your stomach.
I look forward to my weekend.